It's a beautiful day out here at the park, at the lake. I always want to be close by this water. I just love water. I love water. See, the fish is coming up for some oxygen. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody woke up refreshed, in the right state of mind. All the limbs are working accordingly. And just thanking God for waking you up to see another beautiful and glorious day. Just sharing this quiet time out here at the lake, guys. It's just so beautiful out here, and just to hear the sound of nature. It's just beautiful. It's nothing more greater than to just be out in nature and just listen and hear the birds just chirping. So peaceful and so quiet. So peaceful and so quiet. Leave down in the comment section, what are you guys doing for today on this Tuesday? Let's get a conversation started, guys. Well, at least it ain't that much algae in this water, but it's definitely rising. It is definitely rising. It is quiet. It is quiet. It is peaceful. Just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, I just want to share a little of this moment with you guys. I'm going to be out here for a minute or two, just getting me some vitamin D and enjoying nature. And I'll see you guys on my next video. This is Sean G, just doing me. You guys always remember, keep your head up no matter what. I'll see you all on my next video. God bless.